Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, it's a girl Rush Wavy here, and today we'll be talking, guys. We talking. Yeah, well, a chat today. Yeah. Today is like get to know me part 2 tag, because I asked some questions on my Instagram and y'all just replied to it and asked me stuff, and I'm gonna just answer it right here. Oh, by the way, I'm in my brother's room, so please do not mind all of that. You know, a boy, and you know how boys stay. Anyways, the reason why I'm not in my room right now is because they're decorating it. Like, I'm like doing a whole bunch of stuff to it, so I can't really go out there to shoot because it's really messy and stuff like that. So when it's finished, guys, you guys will be the first to see it. Where in Jamaica am I from? No, actually the question was am I from Kingston? Listen, let me just clear the air. Not every Jamaican is from Kingston, and everybody come from Kingston. All right, I'm from St. Elizabeth Junction, so like Senti, you know, country. I come from country. All right. Why don't I speak English? I do speak English in most of my videos. Well, I try to, because I want to appeal to the wider audience, alright? But Patois is my first language. I'm from Jamaica, so you know that we speak Patois. That's Jamaican Creole. That's our first language. However, when you speak Patois, in some cases or some places, persons tend to think that, oh, she dance, or like she chat bad because you chat Patois. But it's not about that. It's just the background that you grew up in, and that's just the culture of us, you know, with chat patois. But when we go to like professional places and places that we know, so we have to talk properly, trust me, we do it, because we do English language as a subject in school. Yeah. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to know what I'm using to do my edges, it's called the Ocean Hair Wax. I'm always using this. If you guys watch my other video, you guys will see this in it. Who is my boyfriend? Okay, I'll be introducing my boyfriend to you guys soon, but I'm not ready yet. So as like, when I gonna see him and just, you know, just calm and I soon meet him. Do I speak any other language? No, I just chat English. I'm kidding. I speak standard English, that's it. I don't speak any other language. How long have I been natural? Good question. I've been natural like about, I'd say like 2 years now, or like a year and some change. Yeah, but almost 2 years. What is my dream date like? Ooh, if the guy has a car, like I'd prefer him pick me up and we do a car date, yo. I'm gonna stop at KFC. I will buy one zinger barbecue zinger combo with wings, with 5-piece wings. No, by myself. 5-piece wings, and we can go over Burger King, go buy pie, the Hershey's pie. We just go in the car and like we just sit, play some music, and eat and talk. Like that is my dream date. Would I ever date somebody who is not Jamaican? Yeah. 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 I don't know. I don't know. I've never really dated somebody who is not Jamaican, so that would be like a first. I don't know. I don't know, yeah. I'm not saying no and I'm not saying yes, alright? What do I use on my skin? Water. Guys, the other day I did a video on my skincare routine. I do that routine like, I'm gonna be so honest with you guys, I do that routine like once a month or twice if I remember to, but I hardly do that routine, but I do use it like, you know, once in a while. But apart from that, just bathe. And that thing about water, yo, I hardly drink water. I live on soda and juice and everything else, all them sweet stuff there. See, I have more me right here, so this dark spot. My skin, yeah, my skin is nice. It is. I think that if I drink more water, if I started drinking more water, it would look extremely better. But that's not gonna happen, so let's move right along. What is my favorite store? My favorite store?
Any Chinaman.
Any Chinaman store? That is my favorite store. Yo, let me tell you guys something. When you go Chinaman store, you get everything you want. And it look good. You think when you go to road, nobody gonna say it's a Chinaman things have on? You might buy one shorts at Chinaman and somebody go on Forever 21 or one of them big store there, you know what I mean? And go buy the same exact shorts and you might pay like $500 for your shorts, 500 Jamaican dollar for your shorts, and the other person pay like $3.50 for them. And they're the legit same thing. It looks nice. The two of them look the same way. And your own lasts as long as their own. So any Chinaman store, that's it. By the way, I'm showing them my shorts. Hold on. You can't tell me some of my shorts don't look nice. Who is my favorite artist? I would say Santi and Coffee. What do I do in my spare time? Sleep. Which celebrity would I date? Trey Songz looks nice. Yeah, and I think he's single, so that's something. Am I shooting my shot here? But I talked to John Legend if I'm never married. You know the way there? What was my favorite subject in high school? My favorite subject in high school was lunchtime and break time. I did just hate school. Like, why can't you guys get? I hated school. I hate school. My teachers were so annoying. And you know how they give you that talk about, ooh, I already did this. I don't need this. I have my bachelor's degree in this and that, and I have my master's, and you. Do I have a tattoo? No, I don't have any tats. I won't be putting on any. Trust me. My skin look too nice for that. Look. When I see all of this, make me really put on tattoo. No. Do I have any piercings? I had two, but now I only have one. My ear alone. What is my relationship like? My relationship is. It's nice. It's cute. I just celebrated like my 1 year anniversary in February, so that's like a year. Yup. This question is extremely weird. What? If I had to cut off a part of my body to save my mother's life, what would it be? Where'd it come from? Anyways, I would cut off my not say hands, because me gonna need to use my hand. A ear? No, I need them both. I'm definitely not cut off my legs. Probably one of my toe them. Don't eat toes keep you balanced though? Yeah, no. Well, it depends. Wait. How old would my mother be then? Like, I would give them one of my toes, cause just the little one, you know. It's ugly anyways, so they can have that. A little toe. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys got to know me a little bit better, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Go and big up yourself and don't forget to subscribe. I love you.